Hello and welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will go through about the website customers. In this video, we will see how the customer will register from the front store. We'll also go through the details of the website customers from the admin panel, and we'll see how a customers can be added and edited from the admin panel. So let's get started. Now, when the customer on the front store goes on to the login panel, login and register option, and when he clicks on this register button, register link, this sign up form will be populated. Now this is a detail form. Now you can have either the detail form for fill up of the customer, or you can have the quick sign up form. Now you can set either of the two. Now for that you have to go to settings, store configuration, settings, and from the settings you just search as quick. So it is a quick enable registration form. Now here you can keep either for retailer or for corporate, or you can keep it for both. And if you want to have this full detail sign up form, then you have to select none. So if you select none, then this option will be there for the customers to register the details form. Now click on save, and as soon as the customer registers either from this one or from this one, it will be displayed in the website customer list. Now let us assume that one of the customer has registered over here, and it could be this. Now when you open the website customer on the admin panel, the list of the website customer, few things we need to know in here, and that is the name of the customer, the type of the customer. Now this is the email ID of the customer from which it is registered. Now please remember, the email ID is the main point of registration of the customer, and hence it has to be unique. Now the type of the customer is retail over here, that means a retail customer. Now if you have corporate customers, then corporate customer will be identified in this way. The name of the corporate will appear, so you can recognize that this type of customer is a corporate customer, and this customer belongs to this corporate. Now on the setting part, you can see here as an admin you have given the pay on limit to this customer. The limit available is $200,000, and the available limit is this way. Now here the next option, you see that there is a user group. The user group is corporate, gold corporate. Now you can create different kind of user groups and place those customers in a group. Now advantages of creating a group is that suppose you want to create a specific coupon or a discount for specific group of your customer, for example your relatives or your friends or your zone wise customers, then you can create the group and place those customers in that group. Now let us see how you can create this. So for that, let us select this customer and click on action and add it. Now here, when you added this customer, you can change all these details of a particular customer. Now here on the right hand side you see the sales agent. Now sales agent first has to be created, and then it will populate over here, and you can select the sales agent if it is a sales agent customer. If you want to change the user type, then you can change the user type from here. The group, we have created few groups. You can select the group from here, and you can create the new groups for your customers. Now to create the new group, click on add, and it will allow you to enter a new group name. Now the friends group is already there. You can delete the existing group and click on save, and this group will be deleted. Okay, now this group is you can create as close relatives and click on save. If I click on save, the friends group is deleted. Now you can select the close relative groups and it is here. Now this customer belongs to close relative group. Now let us move on to the settings, that is pay on account. Now this pay on account will only be enabled if you have enabled this pay on account from your configuration settings, and for that you have to go to pay on payment method, and in that payment method you have to enable this pay on account which is already there. If this is not there, then the pay on account option will not appear anywhere. So let us make it a payment limit. So let us give the payment limit to this customer. I am giving this as 2000 USD. Now here I'll save this option. All these options are saved. All these changes are saved. Now suppose if you want to give an tax exemption, then also it is possible. You can give the tax exemption for this customer. If the customer has forgot the password, then from here you can set the password for this customer. Let us set as 1234. So this way you can manage the customer from the action and the option. And the customer, if you want to add a new address for this customer, or you want to edit the existing address of the customer, then you can add it from here also. If you click on that, the current existing address of this customer will be populated over here. Now let us go on to the front store. Our admin panels are, and you can see that we have given 200 limit, 200 USD limit for this customer, and we have created a close relative groups. Now this customer belongs to this close relative groups. Now if you want to enter all these details in an Excel sheet, then you can create a Excel sheet from here. Just export, click on this icon and it will be exported into an Excel format. You can download the Excel from here. Now one more option I would like to let you know is that when you can create an social media login option for your customer. For example, if you want to allow your customer to create their user ID and the password using their social media, so this option is also there. You can create these two options from the admin panel, and through which the customer will be able to log in into the website. And when they log in this manner, you will be able to recognize that they have logged in from the Facebook or Google. For that, go to website customer and click on all customers and search. So these are the customers who have used that social media icon and have created themselves as a website customer. Okay, so this way you can manage the complete details of your website customers. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye.